Hello everyone, my name is Yuvaraj Taman. I am the student of Melbourne Polytechnic, and this is the video submission of assignment part 2 network architecture and protocol, which is to be submitted to the Ahmed Fala. So we have given a case study of to develop a futurist network for the company using technology like big data, Internet of Things, and cloud. So let's go with the first with the Internet of Things. So what's Internet of Things? So Internet of Things is the billion of physical devices in the world that are connected via the internet that collects and shares the data. So any device that are connected with the internet will be the part of the IoT. So they can communicate via cloud internet network. Any devices that a business has or are connected to the internet is IoT. So what's in the IoT? So it contains the Contiki operating system that has the CUSA network simulator, and it is the open source operating software. So low power internet communication is in there, and so it supports the standard IPv4 and IPv6. So how did I install the Contiki? So I have short demonstration about it. So let's go through this. So we have the how I set up the instant contacting in my virtual boxes. uh, this is there are the number of ways you can set up, and I can find this one as the most useful one. They have given you given you every advice that is needed to set up the contacting in a virtual box. So then this is the this is how I install all Contiki in the virtual box. So let's go through the Contiki. So after successfully install the Contiki in the VMware station, we got this one, and we have the CUSA over here. So let's go through this. So now we have to add the create a new simulations. So um, let's name it part B. So after that, we have to add the mode. So add mode, create a new mode type, and let's go through the sky mode. And now let's browse. So select the IPv6 and go with the simple UDP RPL and broadcast example. And now after doing this one, compile that one. It may take a while. So after that, create the simulation. So let's add a number of new modes. Let's add 4. Add mode. So you can see the we have the mode here, 1 2 3 4 4 modes. So we can we can view the radio traffic, and we can view the radio traffic like radio environment as well, and the mode ID, and everything is from here. So we have to start this one. As you can see there, the mode ID and the message as well. So you can see the radio traffic. Yeah, you can see the radio traffic. So what's the data going from 1 to 2, 2 to 3. So let's say the these are the business premises that are held in the Melbourne city, like Coburg, Preston, Fran, and like CD, everywhere, anything, anywhere you like. So that's uh, that's the demonstration for the setup of the instant contiki. So on the conclusion, what we can conclude is the IoT can be used to manage or view the status of the various devices through a single interface. Thank you. So my next topic gonna be the big data. So what's big data? So all of the collection and sharing of data from the IoT needs a system that is able to process the big data in a relatable form. So this is where big data, that is MongoDB, comes in. So what's big data? Big data is simply a large and complex data set coming from sources which are large in volume. So traditional data processing uh, software are not able to process it. It helps to solve business policies in order to process large amount of data in efficient and cost effective way. uh, Big data are installed. So big data, for the big data, so MongoDB database is installed, and the graphical interface of MongoDB, called MongoDB Compass, has been installed. um, so I will manipulate the what way I will do is I will manipulate the um, database from the terminal and display the results in the graphical user interface. So for that, I have to go to the terminal. So how I install the MongoDB is from the this web page. From this page, I install the MongoDB and the MongoDB Compass. So now let's go through the. So for to start the Mongo, I have to write Mongo. So for the first, I have to write databases. So it's the current database that are in the MongoDB, that exists in the MongoDB. So I have to create my one Mongo one. I have to create my one database. So use new database. So I have created a new database. So yes. So it's the table that consists in the database. So create some. So create collection user. db.create create collection user. So I have created the databases. So we can check over in the MongoDB Compass. Maybe refresh it. As you can see, new database is already added here. So let's open the new databases. So we have user over here. So there is no data, so I have to put the data. So let's put db dot user dot insert user. my name. So I have already successfully created the database, so I have to check and refresh in the database in the MongoDB Compass. So you can see here I have successfully created the database over here. So this is the end of the big data, and the next topic gonna be the one cloud.